This year, the Into seminar is devoted to the role of circular economy in tourism, and it is organized in two keynote speakers, one the first day and the second one in the second day, and 4 sessions. The first session is going to analyze the role of destination management organizations. We are going to talk about success stories. For example, we are going to have 4 speakers. The first one is going to talk about the pilot projects carried out by DIRME to the accommodation sector, the success story of Lanzarote, and how they implement circular strategies in Lanzarote. Then we are going to have also the view of a scientific professor from a British university, and also somebody from the European Commission to talk about the strategies and the view of the European Commission of how to implement circular economy in tourism destinations. The second session is going to analyze the role of the providers, mainly ICT technology providers and environmental technology providers. So we are going to have 3 speakers. The first speaker is mainly going to focus on the role of the ICT technologies in this transition towards a circular tourism destination. So we are going to see about how big data and connectivity can help to implement this circular strategy. Then we are going to have a second speaker talking about the role of environmental technologies, mainly in the management of waste at a tourism destination. And the third speaker and the final speaker will talk about the role of renewable energies in this transition towards a circular tourism destination.